You mentioned earlier, working with partners to get this project off the ground. Are you able to talk about any of those partners, what that looks like as you work to develop this?
A little bit. I can't say specific names. I know a lot of them will be at Interfex coming up, as well as DCAT, which is actually happening between now and Interfex, also in Manhattan.
Okay.
Um, there's the drug, there's the device, there's putting them together,
Hmm.
and I really think it's important to have collaboration. From what I've heard from the industry, I went to Pod last year and there was a whole topic on dual chamber devices that mix things at the point of care and how that technology will be very up and coming for a lot of medicines. And they said in that panel that collaboration amongst these different groups is kind of a newer accepted thing. Everyone knew that it had to happen, but that actually happening is sort of a newer um, occurrence. So
Hmm.
the collaboration amongst us and people and groups all around the world has allowed us to get to where we are today. Um, I like to say nothing is someone else's problem. That's something that at Solution Medical that we really like to focus on and help each other with. Um, I've been to drug companies before where I've said, what about the route of administration or the viscosity of the drug? Won't that affect the patient in X, Y, or Z way? And I've heard, oh, we've never thought about that before because once we make it, we just ship it to the
Mm.
next location and that's their problem to figure out. We don't want that to be the standard within Solution Medical. We're all trying to keep in mind the patient and the end user throughout the whole process.